This is our latest 35 cbm concrete pump version 2 semi-automated concrete pump. It is equipped with a base PLC that makes this machine very easy to operate. To operate, open the power box. Look for the power switch. Turn on the switch. Close the box. Go to the other side of the machine. In the key. Turn on the key. Press start on the controller. After 2 to 3 minutes, press run.